Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are using Android phone and Android phone installed Skype Apps. But Skype Apps location not permission not allow showing. This problem face you. Then watching this video and solve this your problem. First, your mobile phone setting icon search. When get setting icon and click this option. When setting icon click and this interface showing your mobile phone display. Now click apps option. When apps option click and this interface showing your mobile phone manage apps option click and few seconds wait. Your mobile phone internal and external all apps showing this option and upper side click Skype and SK type and upper side showing Skype icon and Skype icon click and apps permission option showing click app permission option and location option not does not allow. Your Skype app location option allow problem face then allow this location option. Already solve this problem. Thank you watching my video.